Hi, my name is Mark Ironson, and this little video is about business plans and how important your business plan is to your property business. So what's a business plan? Well, a business plan shows other people, investors or people that might buy from you, they show what you plan to do. Now, it's not particularly for year one because we all make the numbers up, let's face it, because we haven't traded yet, so we have to make them up. But your business plan creates this story, this kind of path of what you plan to do during your first year. And it creates this story for year two that you can tell in reality because you've traded. So it's incredibly important. And also people want to know what you plan to do, what your dreams, your goals, your wishes for the business are. Not just for the first year, but for the year ongoing. So your business plan changes as you do your business. Now I'm studying next to High Force, which is part way down the River Tees. Now this thing is 330 million years old. Now all I'm asking you to do is a 1 year business plan. You don't need it as robust and long standing as this, because this has been there a long time. But you do need a plan. It's absolutely crucial in your business. If you need some help with writing your business plan or doing your business plan or forming it or coming up with ideas, then get in touch. Just click on a link below or call me on the number below. It's me you get, it's one-to-one, it's personal. I'll help you as much as I can. So my name's Mark Ironson and I'll speak to you soon.